Ester Rhythm provides natural support for menopausal symptoms so you can revive the youthful you with no mess and no guess. This exclusive formula is the world's first to market daily system made with all natural active ingredients, including phytoestrogens and other botanical ingredients with scientifically proven benefits.
If you look at a normal menstrual cycle, like any other hormone release systems in the body, is all cyclical. Without going into scientific details, it is all related to neurons and neuron function. So the ovary talk to the brain in a rhythmic pattern. That rhythmic pattern goes up and down, and like any other things in the body, is rhythmic. So you cannot give a flat dose. You have to cycle it just like it is in the natural regulatory system. So that's what we did with this product. We are cycling the phytoestrogens in a pattern similar to we see in the menstrual cycle.
The Ester Rhythm system for me has been a product that has literally changed my life. About 10 years ago, I started in perimenopause, and my friend Krista had started a few years earlier. She's just a little bit older than me.
It just totally caught me off guard. Wasn't ready for it. I hadn't read much about it. It just totally threw me. Things like memory loss, would get really emotional. I'd cry at the drop of a hat. Or really irritable. It was very hard on my husband. Poor thing.
For years I had said to Mark, you know, if ever there is a product that is a one-stop remedy to the menopause symptoms that women go through, we have to get it. We have to be able to get that to be able to offer to women, because it just was such a problem for me, but also for everybody that goes through this, and we're all struggling. And if we don't do something naturally that isn't the best solution, then we go the alternate route, which is synthetics, which is very, very dangerous.
We were in the office, and a group came in, founders of this new product that was supposed to be the cure-all for menopausal symptoms. And Cindy and I were so excited. We were supposed to be sitting there, you know, with our poker faces on, but we were high-fiving each other and passing notes back and forth.
And we couldn't help ourselves. We were thinking, if this product would work as they say it would work, we had to get it. We later talked to and got to know Dr. Formby, who is the formulator, and I was super impressed with, he's got just tons of education, but what I loved was he took this knowledge he had and mixed it with the passion, which was, he was almost angry about the fact that there wasn't something for women to take that would be good for them to help them through this phase of life that every woman goes through. Within a couple weeks, my hot flashes and my night sweats started really going down, like 1 or 2 a day and none at night, and that was amazing. I started sleeping better. My memory started becoming much more focused. I wasn't running around wondering where this was or why I was here and what did I come into this room for. It was just amazing, the changes that happened that quickly. And I love the fact that this isn't a product that I'm going to be able to use it for a while and then it's going to run out as far as its effectiveness. I'm just thrilled about the Ester Rhythm system, and I know you will be too.